And there's another big one just over there. And they had a bit of a tussle.
In there, okay. Lake Birrabeen, Dilly Village with Boomajin, no entry in there.
So it's not on the record that I was right and you were wrong about the map. You're going to tell our viewers that I was actually correct?
No.
I wasn't even holding the map upside down either.
I know. Hey guys, here we are at Lake Birrabeen. We were heading for Lake McKenzie today, but somehow we got lost, took a wrong turn, and we've ended up here. Pretty nice, but not a real good view from this location.
Watch out little quails. Watch out little quails. Oops, don't run them over. Oh, they're not quails. Oh God, I hope he moved. Oh God, honey. Oh.
Yeah, they're moving. Come on, stupids.
Can I get out? Because there's only, I can only see three. I think I've run one over.
No, one went off the other way. Stupid. Get off the trail, you idiot birds.
I really hope that other one did survive.
It was smart. It flew straight off straight away.
Slow.
I ain't got it.
You weren't.
Okay guys, here we go. Lake Birrabeen, take 2. We found another location where we can get to the lake, so more people here, which is promising. Nice little track to get through.
On this camera.
Yeah, this is beautiful, isn't it?
It is really nice. I know, right? It's such a climbable tree. Yeah, that's what my boys would have done. Up as far as I can get.
Yeah, climbed it.
Yay! That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's an awesome old tree. Nice.
Could just walk down and climb up there, but
That's cool.
Let's not risk any injuries.
No.
Let me take a photo before.
not on day 2.
No.
That's a bridge.
Can't be good for the tyres.
Oh, it didn't spin.
I meant having to go up a big
Oh.
corner like that. Yep. Keep going. A big drop now. Excellent.
This is Em's first ball driving.
Yep. That's it. Perfect. No.
That's it.
Now straighten up.
Now guys, here we are at Lake Birrabeen. Just walking down the stairwells. See if this is another beautiful lake. And we'll get some more drone footage down here hopefully. Oh, this looks like it's a bit high tide. It is like tea, isn't it?
I mean, I'd happily.
Hang on guys, here we are at Central Station.
I'll just do the dishes.
Yep, do the dishes while you're at it, not doing much else. One small town. Okay, I'm not going to read that, but it's all about the forestry here at Central Station.
I'll take photos for you. You can read it out.
Nice. Central Station Garage. Okay. Drawing shed. Storing machinery and things like that. And a bit of a workshop. Old fuel bowser. Wow, look at this old tree. Beautiful. Well, hope you liked today's video, guys. Please give me a big like if you did. Subscribe so you get notified with the next one. Remember to click that bell, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.